In this video, we will show you how to adjust the mitre angle. Remember to unplug the device before you begin. If the angle is not at the stop, which is what we are experiencing here, you can adjust the stop rail using this adjustment screw. For this, loosen the adjustment screw. Turn the counter nut. And bring the device to the stop. Attach the angle iron. And then reinsert the adjustment screw. And keep doing this until the blade is flat against the angle iron. After this, we must also turn the counter nut back. And please ensure that when tightening, that the adjustment screw does not turn along with it. If the indicator does not show 0 degree after adjustment, you can adjust it using a screwdriver.